This is feedback from Mashael on WR1 practice essay that we wrote in week 3. So some good things that I see is you have a lot of great ideas, and I think your essay can be really good. But to get there, you're going to have to, number one, fix the formatting, and number two, you're going to have to add more examples. So what I mean by formatting, this formatting is completely wrong. Your heading, you don't have the right things here. You're not supposed to have your name, you're supposed to have ID. The title should be down here. You're supposed to have your ID number. Here's an example from another student. ID, page number. Look at the font, the size. All these things have to be exact. Okay, so you need to go to your essay. You need to make all those changes. Number one. After that, you need to go to your intro. I thought it was nice, but you need to add a little suspense. So here, I thought it was really good. All of this is good. You're giving definition of it, and then you get here, and then you just kind of stop and go to your thesis, which your thesis is okay, but it needs some work. So like right here after parents, I would say something like, since you're talking about the effects, and you could say like, since this is such an important topic, it's really important to look at the effects or something like that. Just something to kind of connect this sentence with the thesis. Regarding your thesis, you started off well. The thesis will talk about the effects, but you need to be specific. Don't just say of it, say of arranged marriages, and you need to be specific here and tell me what are the two major effects, okay? Because when I look at your body paragraphs here, I just noticed that you just threw like a bunch of ideas out, right? Good ideas, but you threw a bunch of them out. So like this first paragraph, you have 3 different ideas and you have no examples. So that needs to change. I would say pick one. I thought the fighting one was pretty good, and give some examples to it. Like fake happiness, that could be a point of fighting. Suffering abuse could be a point of fighting, and give examples, okay? Also, the same thing with paragraph 2. I like how you went into how children can be affected. I think that would be a great topic, or a great paragraph. But that should be your topic sentence, should be something like, the second major effect of arranged marriages is the effect on children. The first major effect of arranged marriages is the effect on the married couple, the married couple. And then your conclusion, you do also need to reverse your thesis. So you need to take the thesis that you have here and rewrite it backwards here. So to say, you don't need to say finally and then to conclude, say one or the other. So to conclude, fighting amongst the couple and the effect of children are the biggest 2 effects of arranged marriages. And give some advice and some predictions here. This is very short. All of the essay is very short, and with this right here, this essay will not pass. So I need you to make a lot of changes and re-upload it into week 4 essay.